Welcome to Probably Nothing, the IOTA and Shimmer news of the last few months. I'm Alexander, fit as a fiddle, and we're catching up on everything we've missed. On September 15th, the IOTA Foundation announced its new Stardust update. If you want to find out more, you can watch my video about it. It is available in German and English. Many third parties have also reacted positively and reported the news. Noman Minhas, a student from Pakistan, presented his research work. It is about IOD. The Internet of Drones, IOD, and drone technology are on the rise. But how secure and efficient is communication between drones? Blockchain technology could be the answer, but IOTA could provide the solution. IOTA is not only more energy efficient than Bitcoin and Ethereum, but also faster. The integration of IOTA into IoT systems, including drones, promises to increase efficiency and speed in tasks such as monitoring and delivery. As always, you can find the link in the description. A new cryptocurrency platform called Mikosava enables peer-to-peer trading without intermediaries. The user-friendly platform offers an easy way to buy and sell digital assets. Are there any of you actively using it?
Hey all you IOTA fanatics out there, do you know this? You're standing in front of the closet and thinking, I have nothing to wear, but I can't cancel this date after all. I want to impress her or him. No problem, I have the solution. IOTA merch, Shimmer style. From t-shirts to beer mugs, I've got everything your heart desires. And hey, who says babies can't be used as IOTA advertising? Stop by and don't miss the opportunity to promote IOTA, Shimmer and other projects out there. Get out the bubble, get in the gear and support this channel.
Virtue also made it onto the testnet on September 18th. Until today's date, October 28th, it is not on the mainnet, which means you can only try Virtue. TangleSwap has been tested by Zokyo and all smart contracts meet the standards. The score is 97 out of 100 points. Maybe some of you know Rewards Bunny. It's a cashback system, like so many others, with the small feature that you can use IOTA as cashback. Are there any of you who use this? Post in the comments. The IOTA Foundation publishes a blog post titled IOTA and BC 100 Plus Leading the Way. IOTA continues to promote energy efficiency and sustainability. A workshop in New York showed how IOTA is used for sustainable blockchain applications. Mariana de la Roche from the IOTA Foundation presented the BC 100 Plus initiative, which includes IOTA as a founding member. 3 IOTA community projects were presented: Demia, Kupkrush, and Centrix. Ronald van Loon on X, with almost 320,000 followers, has written an interesting article on chain affairs about IOTA and Tesla. The article was probably published back in May. IOTA, an advanced distributed ledger technology, could soon play a role in the world of mobility and technology. This is because this technology offers opportunities for smoother processing of payments at charging stations, data exchange between vehicles and infrastructure, automated payments for tolls and parking, insurance for self-driving cars, and even peer-to-peer car rental. Despite this potential, there are still some challenges such as scalability, security, and regulatory compliance that stand in the way. But the future could be exciting if IOTA gains a foothold in the automotive industry. Nakama Labs launched Deep Finance and Genie's Bounty on the Shimmer mainnet on September 21st and has begun testing them. BitForex has been supporting the Shimmer EVM since launch, which means if you don't know where to buy Shimmer, you can buy it on BitForex. This not only means that they have been leading the way, but also that they have a lot of confidence in Shimmer. Yet another project sees the light of day. Peppy Finance. You will soon be able to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and certainly other coins on this web app. On September 22nd, 2023, IOTA Heroes launched its sale of heroes. 5,000 so-called founder heroes are available, and to date, over 1,600 such heroes have been sold. Congratulations to Soon Labs. Soon Labs has announced a mega airdrop. 3 million Soon tokens will be distributed to all holders of an NFT. So if you haven't been on Soonaverse for a while, now is the time to claim your tokens. TanglePay has made a few updates to its wallet. The biggest new features include support for the Shimmer EVM and compatibility with the Stardust upgrade from IOTA 2.0. The latest version is therefore 1.5.9. With the launch of the EVM, Soon Labs has activated its service module. This was announced a long time ago and is intended to generate fees that are needed to purchase Soon tokens on DEX. This in turn will be distributed further. The Bits and Pretzels trade fair is long over. Holger showed us an impression of it. Virtue enters into a partnership with ShimmerSea. Virtue has published a blog post to shed more light on the partnership. According to this, ShimmerSea will offer an ILO, a Virtue initial liquidity offering, which will be used to launch the token. There will also be liquidity incentives on ShimmerSea to enable VUSD pairings. There is also another paper from the European Blockchain Association. There is an urgent need for clear regulatory guidelines in the blockchain industry, especially with regard to the term staking. The lack of agreement on what exactly staking is leads to uncertainty and possible legal consequences. A joint position paper from leading players, including IOTA, Dentons, and Inatba, aims to clearly define staking and lending. This is becoming increasingly important in light of international tax developments, such as the Crypto Asset Reporting Framework, CARF. Mosquito Pay has joined the Touchpoint program. Congratulations to the whole team. Nakama Labs has published a blog post about the magic of the Shimmer EVM. Although a multi-chain strategy is key, they praise Shimmer EVM as the optimal choice. You can read the short eulogy to Shimmer EVM in the full post. Build welcomes another high-profile board member to the board of directors, Michael Isaiah, who works at Cisco. TangleSwap officially utilizes 5 service modules. TangleSwap will not launch its Void tokens on Shimmer EVM, but on IOTA EVM in collaboration with Soonaverse. This includes 5 service modules, including a token launchpad, a concentrated liquidity DEX, smart farms, NFT staking, and vote escrowed token staking. The integration of these modules will begin in October. More information can be found in the blog article. On-Ramp Money now supports IOTA. This means that more countries have access to IOTA, and the best thing is that it is not wrapped IOTA. CoinDesk published another article at the end of September which deals with the launch of the Shimmer EVM. A rather small article with scant information, but better than no article. Chainbroker, with almost 22,000 followers on X, also reports on the launch of the Shimmer EVM. The Shimmer EVM launch is also covered by CryptoDiffer, with over 285,000 followers. Audit 1 also audited IOTA Heroes at the end of September and published the new report online. In short, there is nothing to complain about. That's it for this episode of Probably Nothing. As I've missed a lot, the next episode should be up pretty soon. Until then, have fun farming, staking, and